Alright, I'm going to show you my scripting and interface as of today here. In the last couple of days I wrote about 400 lines of code. So working on automation, I have basically from hot liquor tank fill all the way through to the pump to the fermenters automated. So basically the coding, it's just typing in raw values, and I got 389 lines. So anyways, once that script is running, it's going to tell you in the status that it's ready to brew. So to brew, we're just going to click brew start. It's going to tell us to input recipe parameters. On this other page, here's my recipe parameters down here, along with some graphs and some other stuff that I use for record keeping. But basically, I'll get this all from the brew sheet. Volume needed and all that stuff. So we'll just do like 13.2 for our test. Sparge volume, we're not sparging, so the rest, we'll just do 8 gallons, whatever, it doesn't matter. So once we do that, we input that. If we come back here, it's going to say parameters accepted, and it's going to start to run through its stuff. So the first thing it's going to do is it's going to start purging lines, if you look here, and it's telling you which lines it's purging. This is the underlet line right here, so that's getting purged. That valve shut off. Now you're purging the standpipe here for the sparge, if you choose to do one. And then once that's done and purged, it's going to open this proportional valve to let the RO in. And since we put 13.2, it didn't even have to turn it on because it knew. And then it's going to turn on the elements, and it's going to turn on the pump with this proportional valve, which is recirculating and then going back into itself. So basically, the rest of the code is saying, wait till you get to 205 degrees, and then we're going to shut down both of these elements, and then we're going to turn on a PID, that's going to hold 212, and when it gets to 211, it's basically going to start purging. It's basically going to start purging all the lines for the mash tun and the herms and all that kind of stuff, and just keep running through the whole thing. So yeah, that's that, and we're just running through wet test right now.